Signing up with Europass helps you manage every step of your career by highlighting your skills, preparing your applications, and looking after your documents. Creating a profile is easy. Log into Europass using the email and password you signed up with. Click on Create My Profile. Fill in your information, include your contact details and address. Click the Next button. Complete this section with all your work experience. If you want to add multiple work experiences, click Add New Work Experience at the bottom of the page. Move on to fill in your education and training by clicking the Next button. Fill in any education and training you have had. Be thorough with details, as this will help when searching for potential courses or job searches. Click Next. Finally, add in personal skills you may have acquired. Drag any skills that are relevant to you and new suggestions will appear. Click Create, and your profile is created. Take the next step with Europass.